Let's face it, life is hectic. We're constantly on the go, trying to balance work, family, and personal time. We're juggling work, family, and trying to stay healthy. It feels like there's never enough time in the day to focus on ourselves. It's no wonder losing weight feels impossible. The scale can be a constant reminder of our struggles, and the journey can seem overwhelming. Finding time for the gym? Forget it! Our schedules are packed, and fitting in a workout can feel like an insurmountable task. Cooking healthy meals? Who has the energy after a long day? Fast food becomes the easy option, but it doesn't support our health goals. We're bombarded with sugary drinks and fast food. These temptations are everywhere, making it hard to make the right choices. These are quick fixes, but they leave us feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. The temporary satisfaction quickly fades, leaving us wanting more. And let's not forget about stress. Stress is a major factor that affects our eating habits and overall health. Stress makes us crave unhealthy foods, making weight loss even harder. It's a vicious cycle that feels impossible to break, but don't worry, there's hope. With determination and the right approach, you can overcome these challenges. You can achieve your weight loss goals. It starts with believing in yourself and taking the first step. It starts with making small changes and finding the right support. Surround yourself with people who encourage and motivate you. We need a solution that fits our busy lives, something that integrates seamlessly into our daily routines, something natural, effective, and easy to use. A solution that supports our health without adding more stress. That's where Alpilean comes in. Alpilean is designed to help you achieve your weight loss goals naturally and effectively, fitting perfectly into your busy lifestyle. Imagine a world where losing weight feels effortless. Alpilean is here to make that dream a reality. It's not a magic pill, but a powerful tool to help you reach your goals. Alpilean is made with natural ingredients. It's designed to boost your metabolism and burn fat. Say goodbye to cravings and hello to increased energy. This isn't about quick fixes, it's about making a lasting change. Alpilean supports your body's natural ability to lose weight. Ready to take control of your health? Alpilean is here to guide you every step of the way. Let's unlock your body's full potential. Alpilean's secret lies in its unique blend of natural ingredients, each chosen for its unique properties and benefits. These ingredients work together synergistically to create a powerful formula for weight loss, enhancing each other's effects. Ginger. This wonder spice is not only known for its ability to aid digestion and reduce bloating, but it also has thermogenic properties that can help increase your metabolism. It also helps your body use insulin more effectively, keeping your blood sugar levels stable and preventing spikes that can lead to weight gain. Turmeric. This golden spice is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce chronic inflammation in the body. By reducing inflammation, turmeric can aid in weight loss and improve overall health, making it easier to stay active and fit. Green tea extract. Packed with powerful antioxidants, green tea extract not only boosts metabolism but also helps in burning fat more efficiently. Additionally, it provides a natural energy boost, helping you stay active and focused throughout the day. African mango extract. This natural appetite suppressant helps you feel fuller for longer periods, reducing cravings and the urge to snack between meals. These are just a few of the powerful ingredients in Alpilean, each contributing to its effectiveness. Each ingredient is meticulously selected for its proven weight loss benefits, ensuring that Alpilean delivers the best possible results for your health and wellness journey. Metabolism is your body's engine, burning calories even when you're at rest. A faster metabolism means burning more calories even while you sleep. Alpilean gives your metabolism a helping hand. The natural ingredients work synergistically to increase your metabolic rate. This means you burn more calories throughout the day, leading to effective weight loss. Imagine your body as a furnace. Alpilean throws more wood on the fire, increasing the burn and melting away those extra pounds. With Alpilean, you're not just losing weight, you're optimizing your body's fat-burning potential. Section 5, Taming the Hunger Monster, Alpilean's appetite-suppressing magic. Imagine a life where cravings no longer control you, where you can make healthier choices effortlessly. We've all been there, those pesky cravings that sabotage our best intentions. They sneak up on us, making it hard to resist that extra cookie or bag of chips. Alpilean helps you regain control over your eating habits. With its unique formula, it makes choosing healthier options feel natural and easy. The natural ingredients in Alpilean work together to suppress your appetite. These ingredients are carefully selected to ensure they work in harmony with your body. You feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to snack between meals. This means fewer calories consumed and a more consistent energy level throughout the day. This isn't about starving yourself, it's about listening to your body's natural hunger cues. Alpilean helps you tune into what your body truly needs. Alpilean helps you feel satisfied with smaller portions, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. You'll find that you don't need as much food to feel content. Say goodbye to emotional eating and hello to mindful, healthy choices. Alpilean supports you in making decisions that benefit your overall well-being. Alpilean empowers you to take charge of your cravings. With its support, you can confidently say no to unhealthy temptations and yes to a healthier, happier you. Section 6, no fueling your day, Alpilean for increased energy and vitality. Losing weight shouldn't mean feeling drained and exhausted. Alpilean gives you the energy you need to power through your day. The natural ingredients in Alpilean provide a sustained energy boost without the jitters or crashes of caffeine. You'll feel more motivated to exercise and stay active. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to tackle your day. Alpilean helps you achieve that feeling. With Alpilean, you're not just losing weight, you're gaining vitality and a zest for life. Section 7, the Alpilean advantage benefits beyond the scale. Alpilean is more than just a weight loss supplement. It's a holistic approach to improving your overall health and well-being. Improved digestion. Alpilean's natural ingredients support healthy digestion, reducing bloating and discomfort, boosted immunity. The antioxidants in Alpilean help strengthen your immune system, protecting you from illness, enhanced mood. Losing weight with Alpilean can boost your confidence and improve your mood. Better sleep. Alpilean promotes restful sleep, allowing your body to repair and rejuvenate. These are just a few of the many benefits you can experience with Alpilean. Section 8, safety first, Alpilean's commitment to your well-being. Your safety is our top priority. Alpilean is made with the highest quality natural ingredients and is manufactured in an FDA-approved facility. We follow strict quality control measures to ensure the purity and potency of each capsule. Alpilean is free from harmful chemicals, additives, and GMOs. Millions of people have used Alpilean safely and effectively. We are confident in the safety of our product. Choose Alpilean for a safe and effective weight loss solution you can trust. Section 9. Embrace the change, Alpilean, your key to lasting weight loss. You deserve to feel confident and healthy in your own skin. Alpilean is here to empower you on your weight loss journey. It's time to say goodbye to fad diets and quick fixes that don't last. Alpilean is a sustainable solution that supports your body's natural ability to lose weight and keep it off. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have achieved their weight loss goals with Alpilean. Take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. Choose Alpilean and embrace the change.